Hello, my Geminines. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of June 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share, and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family. If you belong to my cusp signs, darlings, the reading is already out. This is for my zodiac babies. So let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, and then from 21st to the 30th. Okay, so without further ado, let's get along with your reading. Angels and spirit guides, first 10 days, please, for my sweeties. Let's see the first one. Let's take this. Let's take this. Can I have one more? Let's take this. Okay, so we begin with the sharing. Next we have is abundance, compromise, and healing. Hello. Seems like my feminine energies are gonna have a choice between two beautiful souls that seem to be walking in your space. One who's extremely grounded and one who's filled with love. One who believes in pampering, in talking out, expressing their emotions. One is a person who does not express through words, but maybe through actions. Okay, it's like, their love language could be taking you out for dinner or something on those lines. Okay, not like, or probably take you out for shopping or something on that line. Okay, let's see, we will see, but I think that's the kind of energy that seems to be approaching. Okay, my feminine energies, you guys are going to have a lot of heads turning for sure. Okay, finance is coming towards you. Emotionally also expect somebody to express their feelings towards you, but what is happening is, darlings, you need to find a balance. Okay, because there is a possibility that you might get confused, so learn to compromise. That could I would say that's applicable to my masculine energy as well. In the first 10 days, whatever you want, you shall have. Just increase your water intake and find a mid path. Okay, don't be extremely logical, don't be extremely emotional, find the mid path. Remember, what you give is what you shall receive in the first 10 days. But otherwise, it's a beautiful week. Now, let's come to the mid 10 days. That would be from the 11th to the 20th. Let's see what can we have for you. Okay, so we begin with consciousness. We have traveling, playfulness, and conditioning. Darlings, so what is it happening in the mid 10 days? If you gain clarity, you will not get stuck in somebody else's thought processes. What is happening is, because you guys are traveling, success is embracing, work is coming up, you will be overworked. Stop being a people's pleaser is what it's trying to say, and don't give your control to somebody else. Okay, because it's extremely important. Remember, you have a leadership quality. Even though you have a duality, but still universe is reminding you that, darlings, you are strong enough. Okay, stop dancing on somebody else's tune. Stop having any addictions like sugary, caffeine, nicotine intake, like, all that excessive thing. Avoid doing that. Rest, you have good things, and think before you speak, because words carry vibrations, something beautiful will start. So think before you speak, or take a pause and then take an action. Okay, is what it's trying to say. Now let's come to the last 10 days. That would be from the 21st to the 30th. Let's see what can we have for you. Okay, so just let me pick up the cards. we have rebel, silence, moment to moment and slowing down. Okay, so finance is coming towards you. You guys are going to be super busy, okay, because you've got a leadership quality. Whatever you want, you can achieve. But what is happening is you are thinking either way to back or way to front, and that's the reason you're rushing. So take baby steps. The chaos within you is something that's not keeping you calm, okay. So whatever you want, you can achieve, but be calm. This is what it's trying to say. Shh, be silent. Everything is eventually coming towards you. Avoid getting distracted. Don't share your weaknesses. Stay focused. Whatever you want, you will achieve. Okay. Now let's ask your angels what guidance would they like to give you. Angels and spirit guides. Guidance, please. Assertiveness. Assertiveness is like a yes. Yes to whatever you have been seeking for. Yes, you can be happy. Yes, you will have success. Yes, abundance, peace embraces you. But it also means yes, you need help. Yes, ask for guidance. Okay. Music therapy should help you. So that's how your angels are guiding you. Now let's come to your love life. Angels and spirit guides. Love life, please. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3. 4. Hello. So let's begin with the chaser and karmic relationships. The person that may come in your life, okay, or the person you're dealing with. This person, you have some karmic connections, okay. Probably they have fear of abandonment, they have codependency in a relationship. That's the reason this push and pull effect comes in, okay. And if you think some relationships are not working, it's okay. That's your soul contract. We have the dragonfly and not enough. So if you think right now nothing is happening, then, or you might just feel frustrated, it's okay. Probably it's not the right time to have, to talk about it. Dragonfly is trying to remind you that changes are mandatory, okay. So stop pushing yourself or the opposite person. Learn to adapt. Learn to heal yourself from within. Maybe that will help you. Now let's ask universe if there is anything specific coming up for you in this month. Angels and spirit guides. Anything specific? Despair. So despair is trying to remind you that stop crying over spilled milk. Changes are mandatory, because if you see 3 plus 2 means 5. 5 represents change as an angelic number. So why are you resisting? The more you crib, the more universe will give it to you. But the minute you start changing your attitude, everything will start falling into places. So how should I sum up this month for you? Well, be positive is how I will say. Why? Finance is coming to you, love is coming to you, good relationships can come to you. Spiritually, you can everything can come to you, provided you change your perspective and you start hitting on a positive note, because that's how your angels are also saying. That's what even the love angle is also trying to say, that changes are mandatory. So be adaptive, don't entertain toxicity, and the minute you feel low, when you change into something, a positive approach, or put some positive affirmation, I think the entire game plan will change and will start favoring you. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.